What's going on, everyone? My name is Jeff, and guys, I just want to say there is a whole lot of chatter on YouTube right now, okay? And I know you know exactly what I'm talking about. Don't buy this guy's stocks. I got on Robinhood the other day, and some of his stocks were on there. Guys, don't buy his stocks. Please don't. Buy the stocks that I tell you to buy. Well, no, don't buy the stocks I tell you to buy. You know, just listen to me and then do your own research, but then buy the stocks that I tell you to buy, okay? Well, no, don't get any mixed signals here. I'm not hating on him. I'm not hating on him at all. I'm just saying don't buy his stocks, buy my stocks, okay? Look, you're taking this all the wrong way. Look, guys, you have to learn to block all of that noise out and focus, okay? You know, don't just be a value investor. Don't just be a growth investor. Don't just be a short seller. Don't just be good at playing options. Okay, the key, guys, is to learn all of this stuff. It's all important, and it's all sitting there to benefit you. The more tools you have, the more effective you will be. And like I said, it is all about diversity. Now, like I said, I'm all about value investing and dividend investing. I will go to town with you all day long you know, on value investing. But listen, you have to have some growth in your portfolio. Okay, you absolutely do. But guys, check it out. So Roku soars after reporting 68% jump in streaming hours, okay? So it's quickly turning into viewers' streaming service of choice after the company reported preliminary fourth quarter data that showed double-digit year-over-year jump in active accounts. Roku reported that the number of active accounts topped 27 million in the fourth quarter, a 40% increase from the same period last year. And this right here, guys, this is the result, okay? Right here, Roku is up 23% in one day. Okay, this stock was under $30 a share last week. Now it's up over 41, and it's actually probably going to tick higher. Like I said, I'm looking right here, and it actually hit $42.98 today. So see, that's my point. I guess that's my argument against just strictly value investors. They're never ever going to have one of their stocks run 23% in one day. It's never going to happen. You know, General Mills is not going to take off and run 23% a day. Coca-Cola is never going to run 23% in a day. You know, Procter & Gamble, never. You don't even, you know, it's more funny than anything. You know, it's kind of making me laugh. I'm just making this video just to kind of touch on a few things, guys. There's no right and there's no wrong answer. The only right answer is that you combine all of these skills, you know. Take certain parts of your portfolio and be very aggressive with them. Take a lot of, you know, take some aggressive risk. Get in tech, get in growth companies. And of course, take some of your portfolio, devote it just to value investing, you know, blue chip companies, high dividend paying companies. And let's talk about crude oil for a minute. You know, everybody, I guess not everybody, seems like a lot of people are sleeping on the price action in crude oil, guys. So crude oil is up at $48.55 today, guys. It's up about 1.23%. So UWT, guys, going back to the first couple weeks of December, I started mentioning in several of my videos to start building a position in UWT. And I managed to average my position down under $9. You know, this has to be looked at as a long-term investment. Like I said, on a 52-week scale, back when crude was around $70 a barrel and higher, UWT was trading over $50 a share, okay? So guys, if you execute this trade properly, this trade easily has 3, 4, maybe even 500% potential, you know? And I'm sitting on a position right now under $9, guys, and it's looking excellent. And you wouldn't really classify this as a value investment or a growth investment. You know, crude oil is kind of a world of its own, you know, very hard to predict. I've seen it before. We will be in the middle of a bull market, you know, stocks running up day after day after day after day, and crude oil is crashing, and it basically has no effect on the stock market. Now, I know crude oil prices do play an effect on the economy, you know, in an objective sense, but you know, crude oil is just kind of a world of its own, really, guys. Like I said, I was actually prepared to buy more UWT around $7. We just never got there, okay? The lowest it's gotten so far is $7.93. You know, and I'm not saying go out here and catch a case of FOMO and start buying UWT at $10.63, but at least keep this on your radar. You know, keep it on your watch list, and when it maybe it slips under $10 again, or maybe it trades back down to $8. Probably be a really good time to take a position in it. And lastly, guys, let's talk about AT&T, okay? So AT&T is trading up 67 cents today. It's up about 2.5%. Now, I just wanted to remind everybody about this. So the ex-dividend date will be on Wednesday, which means you can sell your shares of AT&T on Wednesday and you will receive your dividend payment. Now, I know some people might just be going long, or they invest in AT&T for a long period of time. Of course, I've always talked about my investment method and how I play the telecom sector, but you know, back when I recommended AT&T at the $28 level, you should be sitting on a very nice gain right now, guys, going into the ex-dividend date. You know, the ex-dividend date is going to be on 1/9/19, which is Wednesday, and that dividend will pay out on February 1st, okay? So that's all I got for today's video, guys. Go down to the comment section, tell me some trades that you are making. I'm sure everybody's portfolio is looking a whole lot better today. Thanks for watching the video, and have a great day.